Wait.
What?
You're not my dad!
I thought of something funnier than 24.
Maybe you would.
21?
The you shall not pass scene should have happened. Wait, Ashley, but I'm sorry.
Don't talk to me, really wanna be.
Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah. Oh, guys, see Ashlyn's cast. Yep, I made it cast for her while I was 1 minute. I need to put more tape on, but yeah. Well, no, I didn't put any more tape on. I need to though. Her leg popped off the cast. So yeah. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm back. And I am so sorry. If I said I will enter a contest or I will audition for your series, I am so sorry. It's just that I have been so busy with school and I've been stressed out lately, so I am really sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry if I disappointed you guys. So thank you for understanding if you do. And yeah, I promise if next time you have an audition or contest, I'll try to enter. But yeah, again, I'm really sorry. I feel bad. But yeah. So like I said, thank you for understanding if you do. And I'm sorry. Also, I'm sorry if this wasn't funny at all. Yeah. So sorry, guys. I've been gone, but I'm back. And I'll try to post some more in the week, but school comes first. School has to come first, guys. So yeah. That's why I haven't been posting, because of schoolwork and stuff. And yeah. So yeah, I'm sorry I haven't posted. School comes first, like I said a million times. But yeah. But there will be more videos on the way. Also, I'm getting a new doll soon. I seriously have no idea who to get. I want Ginger, and I want Fable, but now I want Farrah really badly because, one, her diary. Last night, I read her diary, and, oh, that's another reason why I couldn't, do that, because, I was over a friend's house, and I was there, like, till 1 in the morning, so, yeah, I'm really sorry, guys. And her arm's twisted, but yeah, now I really want Farrah though, because I was reading her diary. I don't know why I liked her diary so much, probably because warning, spoiler alert, warning, spoiler alert, warning, spoil. I don't know if that was spoiler alert though, but anyway, it was kind of about Huntland, so yeah, that's probably why I liked it so much. And also just like Farrah's character now. So yeah, if you have the Farrah doll, you'll probably know what I'm talking about. So yeah. Yeah, Farrah's Diary is my new favorite one now. At first it was Kitty's. I think it was Kitty's Diary at first. Kitty's and Dexter's. So yeah. I also read Melody and Justine's, but Melody's was not as interesting. Well, kind of. It was interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, tell Josh to get Ginger, Fabo, Farrah, maybe Melody, or Justine, I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!